So for this last one, you might want to go ahead and try this on your own just for practice. I'm going to go ahead and again do it with you. This is our last problem. And so again, what am I going to do first? I have this x plus 2 squared. So in order to undo squaring, right, I have to square root it. So I'm going to show that I'm square rooting both sides. And I get that x plus 2 all by itself equals plus or minus root 66, okay? And if I tried to work that out on my calculator, you'd see it'd be a decimal answer. So what would I do from here? What operation do I need to do? I need to make a zero pair. So I need to subtract 2 from both sides. And I get x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus root 66. Okay, so I can, again, also write x equals negative 2 plus root 66, or I can write it as x equals negative 2 minus root 66, okay? If you were to go ahead and evaluate that, what you would get is negative 10.12 on this one, if you figured out what it was as a decimal, and you would get, I believe it's 6.12 on this one, okay? So let's go ahead and check, and I'm gonna go ahead and check my exact value, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and check these ones, all right? So checking, let me go ahead and write down my original. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to substitute in my value right where the x is, okay? So here's my x. I'm going to substitute this first one, negative 2 plus root 66. I'm going to substitute it right here, negative 2 plus root 66, okay? Now, if we're looking at these two terms right here, a negative 2 and a positive 2, that makes 0, okay? So I have root 66, and I need to square root that. Remember, the square of a square root, I'm just going to get 66, okay? So I went ahead and checked that. 66 equals 66. And then let me rewrite the very last one. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute this one. I'll do it in a different color. That answer, negative 2 minus root 66 into the equation, okay? So negative 2 minus root 66 plus 2 squared equals 66, okay? And again, this is just the check. I already know what my answers are. Looking at this again, I see a negative 2, and this is a minus here. I see negative 2 plus 2, which makes, again, another 0 pair. So I have negative root 66 squared equals 66. And what I get out, again, is 66 equals 66. When I square a square root, I'm going to get that radicand outside, okay? They're inverse operations. So hopefully this helps. Please let us know if you have any other questions. Thanks. Stay safe.